Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a gradient background in Photoshop. So let's dive right in. First, open the image in Photoshop. From the right Layers options, select the object layer and add the layer mask. Now, select the mask layer and choose the gradient tool from the left menu. Select and open the gradient editor. Here, for the first stop, make sure the opacity is 100, and for the last stop, make the opacity 0. Click OK to save the changes. Zoom out the picture and click and drag just like I'm doing. This will create a fade gradient effect. And that's it. If you found it helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video.